Distinguished dignitaries, honorable guests, and members of the media, a very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of DCX Systems Limited, we extend a very warm welcome to all of you and thank you for gathering so early in the morning for a truly memorable occasion. Post the successful IPO, we are here to commemorate the joyous and significant milestone of the listing of DCX Systems Limited in the August portals of the BSE. Before we begin, may I please request everyone to please stand in attention for the national anthem. Thank you. I'm just sharing a few things about the company now. Incorporated in 2011 in Bengaluru, DCX Systems is among the leading Indian players for the manufacturing of electronic subsystems and cable harnesses in terms of manufacturing capability and revenue in fiscal 2022 in the defense and aerospace sector. DCX Systems is primarily engaged in system integration and manufacturing of a comprehensive array of cables and wire harness assemblies and is also involved in kitting and operates through its manufacturing facilities spread over an area of 30,000 square feet and located at the high-tech Defense and Aerospace Park SEZ in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The company has a preferred Indian offset partner for foreign OEMs for executing aerospace and defense manufacturing projects. DCX is one of the largest Indian offset partner for ELTA Systems Limited and Israel Aerospace Industries Limited, Systems Missiles and Space Division, AIA Group. Now, on this momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have joined us today with a bouquet of flowers, and inviting first the management team and board of directors of DCX Systems Limited. Please welcome with me as I invite Dr. H.S. Raghavendra Rao, Chairman and Managing Director, DCX Systems. I now invite Mr. Sankara Krishnan Ramalingam, Whole-Time Director, DCX Systems. Inviting now Mr. Neil Jeremy Castleman, Non-Executive Director, DCX Systems. I invite now Mr. Kalyana Sundaram Chandrasekaran, Independent Director, DCX Systems. Inviting now Mr. Panchangam Nagashayana, Independent Director, DCX Systems. Inviting now Mr. Ranga KS, Chief Financial Officer, DCX Systems. Inviting now Mr. Shivakumar R, Vice President, DCX Systems. I would also like to now welcome Shri Kersi Tavadia, Chief Information Officer, BSc. We would also like to extend a very warm welcome to the book running lead managers who've played an integral role in the success of this IPO. And we have with us Mr. Viral Shah, Executive Director and Head, ECM Syndication, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Inviting now Mr. Ashish Nigam, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited. And Mr. K. Srinivas, Managing Director, Saffron Capital Advisors Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause and a warm welcome to all our dignitaries today. We will now commence this auspicious occasion by the lighting of the traditional ceremonial lamp, for which I would like to call upon all the dignitaries towards the lamp, please. And I would also like to invite their family members to please join us for this.
Lakshmi, Savita and Ranga.
I'm inviting Mrs. Savita Rao, Ms. Siri Rao, Mrs. Lakshmi Ramakrishnan, Ms. Revati, Thank you everyone for joining this auspicious lamp lighting ceremony for a new and prosperous beginning of DCX Systems Limited. I would now like to invite Mr. Ashish Nigam, Executive Director, Investment Banking Axis Capital Limited, to please come and share his opening remarks on this auspicious occasion. Mr. Ashish Nigam.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Raghu sir, Shankar sir, Neil, it's so special that we have your families with us today. It makes this occasion even more special. Thank you so much for coming down. We at Axis Capital take immense pride in having led the 500 crore IPO of DCX Systems. We made a promise to Raghu sir around a year back that we will deliver a successful IPO. And this period has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. In the end, none of us could have imagined such a tremendous and overwhelming response to the IPO. And to see Raghu sir here at this junction after how things were exactly 2 years back, it is nothing short of a miracle. So, congratulations, Raghu sir, you truly deserve it. I would like to thank Raghu sir for his trust in us and for being the most humble and big-hearted promoter we've ever worked with. Shankar sir for his invaluable guidance throughout the whole process, and the whole DCX team, Ranga, Shibu, Neeraj, Neil, for working tirelessly under tremendous deadlines. We're grateful for the opportunity to work on this IPO and being trusted to ensure its smooth closure. For us, the IPO is just the beginning of an incredible professional, but more important, personal relationship. For all of us at the Axis team, CM, Mangesh, myself, for all of us, this is just the beginning of a very beautiful relationship. Despite a very tough IPO market and many changes in the issue size, structure, etc., the IPO garnered a tremendous response. There was almost 20,000 crore worth of demand chasing a 500 crore issue size. It just goes to show what a strong business model Raghu sir has built and the whole DCX team has built. And the investors have really seen DCX as the best way to play the most booming sector in India, which is the defense space. As the shareholder family of DCX grows exponentially, I'm sure that the management team will continue to deliver superior returns to all its stakeholders like it has in the past. I'd also like to extend my gratitude to all the intermediaries associated with the IPO, the councils, ad agency, printers, registrars, and especially my fellow bankers. As you begin the journey of being a listed company today, we would like to again thank you for the faith in us and congratulate you for the entire listed journey that's upon us. Thank you.
Thank you. And now I would like to invite the man of the moment, Dr. H.S. Raghavendra Rao, Chairman and Managing Director, DCX Systems Limited. Dr. Rao.
Four minutes, it is difficult for me to cover, sorry. So, first of all, namaste everyone. Today is a very special day for a DCX family. Amazing journey, just 11 years. We just started, and normally when the company plan for the IPO, they take minimum 3 years to take into the heights, seeing the business plan and seeing the books and maintaining all the corporate governance, everything. Just we did it in 9 months without thinking everything. System has supported. This today's success entire, I want to give you the credit to Mr. Shankar Krishna. Today I am standing in BSc because of Shankar. Please. He is the man, as we don't know as a DCX team, what is the stock exchange, what is the shares, what is the IPO. This man has taken through the complete training. 9 months we are sitting here today. So I'm very thankful to you, sir, for all your guidance and everything. And excellent team by Axis, Edelweiss, and Jay Sagar, and Kaitan, and our Hogan team, and the print media and ad factors. So thank you so much for all your support, and we'll take this. I want to thank the investor on investing on DCX. We have a upcoming very good plan for the company. We will going to take this company as one of the finest electronics technology company in defense and aerospace. That is our aspiration, which is kept everything on the top priority on our plans for upcoming days to make this DCX as one of the finest technological company in India for aerospace and defense. Thanks once again, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, Mr. Rao. May you take the company to where you aspire it to be. May I now invite Mr. Shankarakrishnan Ramalingam, Whole-Time Director, DCX Systems Limited, to please come and address the gathering. Mr. Shankarakrishnan.
Good morning, everybody. Distinguished dignitaries from all walks of life, from the stock exchange, the governing board, the global book running lead managers, Axis, Edelweiss, and everybody. It's a very special moment, of course, and it's an emotional moment. You think of the promoter, Dr. H.S. Raghavendra Rao, to hail from a village, remotest of village in Karnataka, in Mysore district, from an agricultural family, to have graduated as the first son of the soil from that village to go into a college to qualify himself as a mechanical engineer, and then to build a 30-year dedicated approach into the aerospace and defense and electronic industry, and to have created an NT from scratch in 2011, and to have grown the company from scratch to about 1,102 crores of turnover. And most of this 1,102 turnover happening in the last phase of about 3-4 years of growth. To win the prestigious Indian Defense Offset Partnership with the largest technology company in the world in Israel called Israeli Aerospace Industries, and to emerge as the largest defense partner in India, the preferred partner in India, creating verticals which are very unique, creating a business model which is extremely unique. You know, it has taken years together for the promoter to do a lot of first in the industry in terms of the uniqueness. First, creating the model, getting the entry into Israel, creating financial structure for enabling the working capital and other things to be managed by banks. Several things were new to banks. Several things were new to the stakeholders. And to create a state-of-art technology in Bengaluru, single-handedly, if I have seen in my 40 years of investment banking career, one dedicated promoter who is fully into the micromanagement, from security to the model that is living under the security wings of Israel. This has been the only man. He knows only one thing, DCX, DCX, DCX. He knows nothing else. He has no friends. He is fully dedicated. And I can assure you on this platform, as in terms of the stakeholders' point of view, I think they are fully entrenched in the strongest and more focused promoter that this country would have ever produced in the capital market history. The backward-forward integrations are all in place, and I am sure the corporate governance is something that the company has always been used to, because you can't be an IOP partner with IAI Yelta, Israel country. Every quarter we go through this corporate governance for the last 10 years. So in terms of governance, there is nothing new that we need to probably focus and practice. All we need to do is to do the basics right, focus right, in terms of the cash flow visibility, in terms of the business visibility, in terms of the model, and in terms of the dreams. The problem with Dr. Rao is he never stops with the dream. Today afternoon, he will start with the next plan. So there is nothing called that you can relax in DCX. And I'm sure each one of the members in DCX family is special, unique, very highly talented, skilled, and is a platform to cherish, is a platform to work, and a promoter to adore. With those words, thank you so much for all the support that each one of us had given. A special thanks to Neetu and Viral for spending so much of sleepless nights. Akhilji and Ashish, I think we have taken 2 years of your life in less than 3 or 4 months in getting engaged with you. A very special thanks to Ketan and team who has ensured that we never relaxed. Though we were pleading, can we just overlook this? This is, of course, a small point. No dilutions, nothing. They have been extraordinarily special. Sagar Batra and Nirupama and others from J Sagar, of course, Ad Factors with a very limited time frame had put up a very great show. And of course, the most prestigious institution, not but the least, the Bombay Stock Exchange. They have been a pillar of strength. I would like to thank, I know we are missing Rupal in this function, the AGM. And Rupal has been very special to us, and which is why the preferred exchange has always been the Bombay Stock Exchange, the most fabulous place. This room and hall has seen many stalwarts, but I can tell you, this man, Dr. Rao, is going to beat all those stalwarts in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. And now I would like to invite Mr. Neil Jeremy Castleman, Non-Executive Director, DCX Systems Limited, to please come and address the gathering. Mr. Castleman.
Thank you, everyone, for being here this morning. This is a very, very special occasion, one that I had never thought of in my entire life, that this would be happening, especially not in India, even though it would be in India. I have to thank Dr. Rao as the man to make this happen. We've been partners for 11 years, and it was my starting the company requested by one of our Israeli customers and said, go to India so they could purchase from us. And we did that with Mr. Rao heading the team, and has made unbelievable success. And we're going to continue that success in the future. I just want to thank the Kaitan people, the best lawyers in India. They did fabulous work for us from day one. We've never changed. And I want to thank the entire DCX team, who is amazing, has done amazing work, and will continue to do amazing work. Thank you all.
Thank you. And now I would like to invite Shri Kersi Tavadia, Chief Information Officer, BSE, to please come and share a few words. Shri Kersi Tavadia.
Good morning, everybody. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to everyone of the DCX family. And first of all, congratulations on this auspicious occasion. And it's really a milestone in your family. Dr. Raghavendra Rao, Sri Shankaran Ramalingam, Mr. Neil Jeremy. So, first of all, the DCX Limited is among the leading players in the Indian manufacturing of electronic subsystems and cable harnesses. The company has been preferred Indian offset partner for foreign original equipment manufacturers for executing aerospace and defense manufacturing projects. The biggest milestone I would congratulate that this IPO has got oversubscribed 78.65 times overall. I think this is the message that the investors have showed the confidence in the management of DCX and their business models, that yes, there is a definitive plan, and it could have been even higher if the IPO time limits had been longer. We would have got more subscription, but because we have limited IPO time limit, so I think that was the only reason why it got only subscribed. And close to 17.25 lakh retail investors have invested. So this is also a very, very big milestone, because normally in these IPOs, specifically in defense sectors and all this, there's not very much knowledge in the retail industry. So if you see from the figures that we have analyzed, it is almost 17.25 lakh retail investors. So that's also a big milestone, that retail investors are now thinking that yes, defense is also a sector to invest in. So this was again a very, very big milestone from ISM. The lead managers of DCX Systems, Edelweiss, Axis Capital, and Saffron Capital have done a wonderful job, and congratulations to them too. With the successful completion of the IPO, DCX Systems is now also a part of the BSE family. So once again, welcome to the BSE family. BSE is the world's largest exchange in the terms of number of listed companies, which stands at 4,870. Close to 5,000 companies are there. And it's one of the oldest institutions standing here for the last 148 years. And this hall, like we just said, is almost treated like a temple of capital market. Okay, every top listed companies in the country has been grown and started from this very hall. And we aspire and seek that you also seek to the same levels. This is only a first stepping stone, okay, and there's a miles to go from here. So, but it's a good jump, and coming to the exchange is the platform, and that's the right platform that you're on. BSE, so something on the BSE side is BSE provides an transparent market trading for equities and currencies, derivatives, instruments, mutual funds. BSE SME is the India's largest SME platform. So this was also thought through years ago when we wanted to give startups and small and medium enterprises a platform to launch. BSE SME is the platform where we have listed more than 400 companies. So it's not only the main board companies are doing good businesses, even the small and medium enterprises, BSE is a place to start their work. We are also doing a startup enterprise also, so even people who are not having finances, finding difficulties in getting finances from the banks, there is a BSE startup platform also. So BSE not only provides the platform for the main board, we have a SME platform, also the startup platform for this. The benchmark index, which is called the BSE Sensex, is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened up its economy in 1991. It is also considered the barometer of the country's economy. BSE also provides a lot of other services in terms of risk management, clearing and settlement, market data services, and education. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard the market integrity, drive the growth of Indian capital market, and simulate innovation and competition across all market segments. The exchange has provided several broking technology solutions to all its members as an order routing platform called the Bold Plus on Web, which is one of the most powerful hosted real-time trading platform, which is provided by our own subsidiary called the BSE Technologies Limited. As a part of its ecosystem, we enable more than 1,300 brokers with almost 1 lakh branches. So that is a kind of, and we are almost more than 11 crores members working on this particular platform. So the size and the scale of this platform and the speed at which we operate is also the best in the world. So it is not only that, many times you look outside the world, people do not know that BSE is the fastest exchange in the world today. Today we give a response time of 6 microseconds. So people who know latencies, every time everybody talks about real time, for us real time means a different thing. For us, real time means microseconds. For some people, real time means 1 day also, 1 hour also. So it's very relative. So for us, that's why we have, today BSE is the fastest exchange in the world. So as at BSE, we are solely committed in bringing every services and facilities to maximize the growth of all the listed companies on our platform. Once again, on this momentous occasion, I extend my best wishes to the DCX family and wish the entire team a success in all the future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And now to commemorate the significance of this event, we will have an exchange of mementos. And I once again invite Shri K.C. Tiwaria to please come and present the mementos. And to receive the memento, I invite Dr. H.S. Raghavendra Rao and Mr. Shankarakrishnan Ramalingam. May I also request Neil to please come and share this moment with us. This is the special listing memento. And now, Mr. K.C. Tiwaria to present the bull memento. May I request Shri K.C. Tiwaria to please be with us to present a few other special mementos. And to receive, may I please invite Mr. Ranga K.S., Chief Financial Officer, DCX Systems Limited. To receive the memento next, I invite Mr. Shivakumar R., Vice President, DCX Systems Limited. Inviting next Mr. Neeraj Khandelwal, DGM Corporate Affairs, DCX Systems Limited. Inviting now the book running lead managers, Mr. Vidal Shah, Executive Director and Head, ECM Syndication, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Inviting now Mr. Ashish Nigam, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited. Inviting now Mr. K. Srinivas, Managing Director, Saffron Capital Advisors Private Limited. Thank you, sir. Please be with us. As I now invite Dr. H.S. Raghavendra Rao and Mr. Shankarakrishnan Ramalingam to please come on stage and present special mementos to some very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable in the successful listing of this event and this IPO. And first to receive the memento from our dignitaries is Shikesi Tavadia from BSc. Thank you. Next to receive the memento, I invite Mr. Vidal Shah, Executive Director and Head, ECM Syndication Advice Financial Services Limited. Inviting next, Mr. Ashish Nigam, Executive Director, Investment Banking, Axis Capital Limited. Inviting next, Mr. K. Srinivas, Managing Director, Saffron Capital Advisors Private Limited. Inviting next the representatives from J. Sagar Associates, legal counsel to the company. Inviting now the representatives from Khetan and Company, legal counsel to the BRLMs. Representatives from NBS and Company, statutory auditor to the company. Inviting next Mr. Arun Ohri and Subbu from AdFactors Advertising and AdFactors PR Communications, partner of the offer. May we have Dhaval Adleja Sachin Prajapati from Lincoln Time India Private Limited, registrar to the issue. And next we invite representative from Orient Press Printer to the IPO. Do we have anyone from Orient Press? We would also like to acknowledge International Legal Counsel to the issue, Hogan Lovells, Lee & Lee, for their contribution in making this IPO a success. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for has arrived. The very historic moment where DCX Systems Limited will see itself listed on the stock exchanges of India. And may I call upon the stage Shri Kersi Tavadia.
From first get city in, then rest of the people.
Okay. Miss Siri is going to be our first person to please come on the stage. And this is going to be an auspicious beginning when we have such a good luck charm with us. Mr. Neil, may we please have you on stage? And ladies and gentlemen, when we are 10 seconds to the 10 o'clock time, we will begin a countdown, and I request all of you to please join me with it. All eyes on the clock. And here we go. Join me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! DCX Systems Limited is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. What a momentous occasion. It's been a milestone. Towards the end of the event, we will also invite other dignitaries to gather around the gong, and we will take group pictures. And now I would like to call upon Mr. K. Srinivas, Managing Director, Saffron Capital Advisors Private Limited, to please come and say a few words. Of course.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Suprabhat and Namaskar. Some moments in life are just not, just can't forget those moments. I still remember that day when Shankar, a very old friend of mine, family friend, invited me to DCX to meet Mr. Raghu and explore the possibilities of an IPO. That day we sat for about 45 minutes, and a lot of what we visualized on that particular day, one can see the, materializing of that in today's, culminating in the listing of this script DCX today. Knowing the promoter, the business model, and the supporting staff that they have, I am sure all the stakeholders would immensely benefit from this particular script and listing. I wish DCX and his team all the very best. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure being part of this journey. Thank you so much.
May I now call upon Mr. Viral Shah, Executive Director and Head ECM Syndication, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, to please come and say a few words.
A warm thank you to the entire DCX team for giving us and everyone else the opportunity to be associated with this successful IPO. Shankar sir and Raghu sir's journey has nothing been less than a success model for a lot of Indian entrepreneurs. Raghu sir especially started off his journey prior to 2000 as working as a professional, and today he is a promoter of a listed successful company on the stock exchange. As the DCX family grows from a 90 shareholder family to a 35,000 shareholders family, we extend warm gratitude and all the best and success to the company in the future, and may it continue to grow and prosper and achieve its limitless aspirations. Thank you all.
And now for the final vote of thanks, may I please call from the company Mr. Ranga KS, Chief Financial Officer, to please come and say a few words.
Good morning to everybody. It's indeed a great honor to be part of this journey. It was something like dream come true. 9 months before, I had dreamt to be part of an IPO. I got this opportunity from DCX Systems Limited. I thank the entire team and the management for giving me this great opportunity. Secondly, I just want to extend my heartfelt thanks to the entire team who are involved in this journey of making this IPO a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. We are grateful to BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, members of the board and family and friends, well-wishers, shareholders, and all of you who took time today to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Do join us for refreshments hereafter and have a great day ahead. And now I also request the dignitaries and our distinguished guests and their family members to please come, take the stage. The gong is yours. We will have all the group pictures now. Thank you. Have a great day again.